my God, I've never seen something before.
I'm going 70.
That's all right. I mean,
45.
should have brought a radar detector.
I heard one. Okay. I just went across the road up here, I think.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There's a tornado on the ground in northern Jackson County. There is a tornado on the ground. Right there. We're coming up to it. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh my God. Keep going. Debris, we got debris. We've got debris. Oh my God, it's right there. Alright, we're gonna start slowing down, start slowing down, start slowing down. Tornado on the ground right there. Right there. Tornado is on the ground. What direction is it going?
I don't know, it's not really moving. It's kind of going that way a little.
Tornado on the ground. Alright, there's trees up there that are down. Trees are down. Over there. I think it's coming our way. Right. Get ready to turn around. Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Get over here. No, don't leave late yet though. Just get ready to. Call 911. Let them know there's a tornado on the ground. There is a tornado. There's debris.